Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and today I will be doing the unboxing of this Apple iPad Pro 10.5 inch. So let's open it and actually check out the unboxing. So before this I used to use a Android tablet, but what I've seen is that Android ecosystem for tablets is not really that good nowadays. So I thought let's just upgrade to iPad, because I do most of my picture editing and all on the tablet, and I need a good, it has to have some good power so that it can do that. The earlier one, the Android one, was getting stuck. If you want to know which tablet I was using before this, then comment below, and if there are enough requests then I'll definitely make a video on that. So this one is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch rose gold. Why rose gold? Well, I like all the other colors too, but this one was on a good offer and I bought this from Amazon. All the links will be in the description, so if you want to buy it, or if you want to buy any tablet or anything from Amazon, please do click on the link below and then buy, as it does help out this channel. 0.5 inch 64 GB Wi-Fi. And let's just open the box and see the contents. So MRP of this iPad is currently it's running at 58,000 something, because Apple has actually discontinued this, the 2017 model. Currently they have launched the new iPad Air 3, but I felt this one was better suited to my needs compared to the iPad Air 3. That one is missing some features that I wanted, so I got this one. And let's open it and I'll continue the discussion. So here's the box, and let's finally open the iPad and check out the actual iPad. And it's slightly tight. Why isn't it coming out? Yeah, actually it should just slide off, but it's not sliding off. Okay, this is kind of getting, it should just slide off normally. That is what I saw in other videos too, but this looks to be slightly harder. Okay, so finally here's the iPad 2017 iPad Pro 10.5 inch rose gold. Yeah, that's the rose gold. Pretty nice. This is exclusive to the 10.5 inch iPad Pro, the rose gold. If you buy the 12.9 inch one, in that also you didn't get rose gold, and the new ones, well, they were not really in my budget, so we didn't go for the latest 2018 11 inch or the 12 point something inch one. And here's the booklet, designed by Apple in Canada. So what do we get in this exactly? Welcome to iPad Pro. Okay, instructions, some paperwork, and the Apple stickers. And here is the lightning cable. This one does not come with USB-C, unfortunately, but that's okay. Anyways, we'll use the lightning. But yeah, if you want to use any accessories, then you have to buy lightning accessories for this. So a little bit costly on that side, but okay. The overall package was good. So here's the adapter. It's in parts, 2 parts adapters. And how was this thing? Okay, so we'll use these later, and let's just open the actual packaging of the iPad and check out the iPad if it has any kind of juice left. And this is how we open it. So this is classic Apple style. Almost all their devices have this kind of packaging. So here's the front end. Oh, shining. And here's the back. Slightly creamish color, but definitely looks good. So there were 2 options that I had, either go for the rose gold or the silver, because they were only on offer. Other colors were slightly on the costlier side, so I went with the rose gold. And this comes with 4 speakers, so 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Also has the headphone jack that the current Pro lineup is missing. Here's the power button. We are out of focus. Can we focus? Yes, so we are now in focus. That's the power button. Left side volume rocker. And here's the actual camera. So this is the same camera from the iPhone 7, 12 megapixel with flash, and front we have 7 megapixel. The back one does 4K and the front one does 1080p, so for video calling it's good. This also comes with Touch ID. So the last iPad, no, current ones also come with the last iPad Pro that comes with the 2nd generation Touch ID. And bezels are really thin on this one, but yes, there is bezels for catching, and also durability I found this little bit better. Now the screen, I definitely need to put a screen guard, because Apple screens cat scratches very easily. And this is how the edges are. You can see there is slight hint of silver and then rose gold. Really nice finishing. And now let's open it up. I know this is kind of going little bit longer than usual, but what to do, when you buy an Apple product, you should actually enjoy the unboxing, because you have spent a lot of money on it. And yeah, that's the boot up. And once the boot up is done, I'll get back to you. So finally the setup is done, and you can see it's running now. And the setup process was a little bit long. Don't know whether. Alright, so it's working. And yeah, that was a quick unboxing video. I don't know how quick it was, slightly long, but anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.